Hello and welcome to this video on how to make your TP-Link in version 2 and 3 into modern mode. I did this video because I bought a TP-Link and it ended up being version 3 and not version 1. Because of this, modern mode wasn't working. So I decided to make this video to show how to fix that error. Also, at the end of the video, there will be an explanation of how this works and why your Wi-Fi adapter does not work without this. So let's continue. Oops. So here will be the commands you will have to enter. After these commands, you have to make your Wi-Fi adapter into modern mode. This is the option 1. Then we have the other option of making it into modern mode. If for some reason you are making this into modern mode and it's not working, then try to make your virtual box from NAT adapter to bridged. It will be very simple and I'll show you how to do that in this video too. So, I hope you like and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Okay, now that we have went through the introduction, we're just going to start doing this now. So, you can see I recommend, you don't really have to, but I recommend that you have it on bridge adapter, your virtual box, if you're doing this on virtual box. Click OK. And yeah, this is going to look different from your screen because I already have everything set up, but just follow along. So, Sudo apt install PC, I already have it installed, so it doesn't really matter. So, Sudo rmmod r8188u.ko. Again, this is going to look very different. It's going to say module is currently not loaded, blah 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 blah. So git clone, you're gonna do git clone of this website here. Again, I'm not gonna do this because I already have it installed. So after that, you do crtl8188us. Oops, sorry, nope. US, there we go. So you're in here, and then you do sudo tech I. Then after the sudo tech I, you just do this command right here. That again, it's gonna be on the website of here in GitHub, but I'm gonna leave this command in the description as well. So just do this. Done. Then we do exit. Then we just do make. Again, going to look very different because I have everything done. Then make install. Sorry, sudo make install. Again, different on my screen because I already did this. Now after this, here comes the easy part. So we do airmon-ng check kill sudo, again run as root sudo. Go right to config. See, so this is what it's called here. Yours is going to be called like WLAN 0 or stuff like that. Doesn't really matter. Then do sudo IP link set down. So we're going to make that interface go down. And finally, sudo iwdev set type on the and we're done. Then we go iwconfig. We are in monitor mode. So now we're going to go to the theory part and explain what is going on, what is happening, and what does each of these commands do. So see you in the next part of the video. Okay, to explain what is happening, the company that made this Wi-Fi adapter, the version 2 and 3, the chipset is changed, so it can't do or be converted to monitor mode. That is why you have to go through this whole process to make it to monitor mode, unlike the version 1. So here we're going to explain what's happening in each of these commands that are placed in the terminal. So when sudo install bc, well, we're installing bc. bc is a command line calculator, so it just does calculations and all of that. It's a calculator. It just gets, it's that simple. Then we go to sudo rmmod r8188u.kl. rmmod is to remove a module from the kernel. So what this is doing is removing the module from the kernel. Then we'll go to git clone, so we just get all the files from that website, so from that GitHub, and we download it. We enter the directory that is rtl8188eus. Then we need to be in root, so we have like full control. So we go sudo tech I, we enter root, we have full control, no restrictions. So now we blacklist. So blacklisting prevents a module from loading. So this command is preventing that module from loading. Here is the directory. Here's the directory where the module is located. Then we exit root. Then we type in make. So make is to just create or build an exe file, an executable. Make install just copies the binaries to its proper location. Now we go into the commands to make it into monitor mode. So as I explained here, we already know what is rmmod. So modprobe is to add a loadable kernel module to the Linux kernel. So yeah, it's just adding a loadable module to the Linux kernel. Then after that, we go to airmon-ng check kill. What this does, it just kills all the processes that prevents you from converting your Wi-Fi adapter to monitor mode. Then WLAN 0 down is that we're just bringing our interface down. And finally, the last command, sudo iwdev set type monitor, would just be we are making our Wi-Fi adapter into monitor mode. And yeah, that's pretty much it, the theory behind what is happening. So I hope this video was helpful. Hope you learned something and have fun and keep it legal when you're doing your Wi-Fi hacking.